Welcome back to DTW Reviews. What we have here is the Accer Predator Helios 300. Let me go ahead and open it up. I'm assuming this is the power cord. I don't know if this huge power block is going to be comfortable toting along with you on a plane into hotels if you're on the road traveling. Nice card, says thank you for joining the Predator team. Predator Helios 300 instruction guide, and then here's a setup guide. Pop open the laptop box. It's got a considerable amount of weight. I'm guessing about 5 pounds. Got some USB ports on that side. Very slim. Very slim and very colorful. Some USB ports on that side. So let's just go ahead and take a look at what we have here. We have a headphones jack, we have a USB port 1, 2 here, and then we have your power inlet right here. And then also you have 2 little indicators. One looks like it's for battery, the other one's flashing red right now. I'm not sure what that one is. Over here we have an SD slot for a standard size SD card. Looks like a high-speed USB because it's color coded blue. You have an HDMI slot, a USB-C, an Ethernet slot here, or Ethernet port where you can plug in your cable, and one of those little lock ports where you can put your own personal little lock system on there. If you look at the back here, you can see there's this open area where the fans blow their exhaust out. It's just on this side of the laptop. That would be the right side if you were facing it from the front. Over here is kind of closed off. If you're looking at the bottom, there's a couple of little covers that you can possibly open up. Maybe one contains the battery and the other contains like access to the memory. As you can see the 2 fans here. If you look closely, you can see that there's a fan here and there's a fan here. Alright, keeping you extra cool. Okay, so I have the power adapter plugged in here to the side into the power jack. This is a 3-prong plug, so if you're going to travel anywhere outside of the US, you might want to invest in an adapter here. This one you can use in places like Korea. You can plug in your 3-prong equipment, and you can also plug in 2-prong. This right here, if you're traveling to the UK, it's an adapter. You can plug in 3-prong here. All right. This right here is a 2-prong to 3-prong or 3-prong to 2-prong adapter. This is what I'm going to use because that's what you need in Japan. Okay, got all the power connected. Let's go ahead and hit the power switch, and I'll point out while it's powering up that there's a built-in camera as well.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
You can kind of tell that the keyboard is backlit just a little bit, but unless it's really dark in here, you're not going to be able to see that all that well. Let me just go ahead and lift that up for you. You can kind of tell that that keyboard is backlit. So there you have it. Powered it up, took it out the box with you. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. I am so glad you all joined me for this unboxing of the Accer Predator Helios 300. And we were able to put everything together, get to this point where we are. I'm gonna finish up all by myself, but thank you. I hope you got something from the video. If you did, please comment, like, subscribe to the channel so you can see all the other videos that I have, and you won't miss any other future videos that I do put out. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.